video, our goal is to copy
application.
data from one
I will say.
list to another list with is automatically
So this
using
is okay.
Power Automate. So
The same
we
thing I will
have
say.
the task
Copy
list
it.
here: title, due
I will
date,
go to route
assigned
1.
to, status, everything.
In the processing,
So we are
I
going
will
to
say
copy this list
equal
every
to
month, first of the day, first of
what
the
was that?
month,
Infra.
each month into this
Okay.
list. So
Now all
our
are defined.
goal is to copy the list
So
of
let me recap.
data to another
We are
list
going to send a message
each every
here.
month to run the
I will readjust it.
checklist to the specific owner to make sure the tasks are completed. Now we are going to see the Power Automation
Okay.
to copy the data.
So I am going to message here that I am going to convert
to
JSON to
this
XML.
list to in this list.
Then XML will be based on the
Here.
XML XPath. It find out the tickets and
You will
split the
see
tickets
Power
based on
Automate.
the number of
Now
tickets available.
go
So
Power
each
Automate,
ticket it is going to
Micro.
find out the type. Based on the type, it is. So the route
We
one
have this
is infra
list.
team.
This
So I
list
will make it as
Power Automate to
I will say infra.
go and see
Route 2
is running. We will go and
infra.
see how the Power Automate.
Okay, these are all general description.
Copy
Sorry, you can't do
data
it.
from one list to
Just for
another
your
list.
understanding purpose,
So
I'm
this
doing
is
it.
the recurrency.
And
So we
this
are
route 2
getting
is
each month, first of the
route 2
each month, first of
app
the
team.
month, we copy data from one list to another list. So here we use the get items.
Okay.
The
I will save it again.
SharePoint list. Then we connect the.
So
we add the
once you
list
define the
here.
router,
After
it will
that,
not ask you anything. It is just
in the apply to each, we add the body value.
where is that?
Here when we copy the data in the source list, we keep the
Row.
date in specific in the current month. So each month when it's copy the data from one list to another list, we need
Router.
to change the month of
Processing is nothing. Just keep it the
target list. We create one variable.
The default thing as it is.
So
this is the router properties. Each
here,
router as such it does not have any properties, but it will have multiple paths. Each path you have to define it. Each path will come under this one, right? So when you go to router, you can see that the paths different here.
Month and year of the
okay. So it will show you router 3, you make it as a default route. Other thing is router 2 app team condition is based on the XML path type equal to application. Condition to infra team is based on the infra. Okay, that's it. We are done with that. Now we will simulate. So I will put a mark here, put a starting point, and I put anywhere the ending point here. Okay, now I will go here, copy my thing.
Due date we can get only the day. After that,
I'll paste it here.
Day extract.
Now I will simulate.
After that, we are going to add in the column. So in this create items,
simulation is successful.
Target
okay.
List.
See, now you notice it. You receive 3 envelopes separately here.
Columns we are going to update. Here,
okay.
check ID.
You can see that, right? After the simulation is completed, you will see one envelope on each step completion.
Then notification date.
So first one, the body, you can see that.
Once you update
it will help. It will have the input message whatever you sent as it is, the JSON file which I copied.
When we run the test,
second step is completed.
Flow, it will copy the data from here to
go to body,
So it's
it is
different
converted to
definition
XML.
basically.
This step converts
So
the JSON to XML.
data will copy from
Now, one
here
third
to
step is
here.
completed. You can
So
see
this is
that
the way we can copy
it is split
from
into
one list
5
to another
messages.
list using Power
Okay,
Automate.
XML split into 5
Thank you
messages.
for joining. We will
Now,
see
when you go to this envelope,
another
it
interesting
should
video
contain the
about
tickets of infra
how to
only.
send the
We'll
remainder
go
email
here
based on the
and
due
see
date. Based on the
it
due date,
contains
we will send
the
list
type
of
infra. Okay,
task based on the
5 is their
login
infra.
login name. We will send list of tasks to the
Okay,
users.
then I go to
In the
application.
the email, they can see list of tasks pending.
Then it contains
When
application.
you open the from there, we will give option to open the Power App. In the Power App, they
Third
can see
one,
list of
if you go here,
tasks.
then it contains hardware.
So in the task, they can change the status.
You got my point?
Then like that. So once it's done,
So this is how the routing will happen. When you go here,
finish.
I will say.
So this is the flow we are doing. Now in this video, we see
This contains 5.
Data from one list to another list.
This contains
Very much.